Hello, my dear student. Lecture number 8, chapter number 6, Statistics. In this lecture, I am going to explain you some example from practice set 6.4, page number 153. Question number 1. Draw a histogram of the following data. Here, frequency distribution table is given, and by means of this frequency distribution table you have to draw histogram. Okay, so try to understand. This is very easy. Now the table is this: height of students in centimeter and number of students: 135, 140, 140 to 145, 145 to 150, and 150 to 155. Okay. Here frequencies are given: 4, 12, 16, 8. First you observe your classes. Now here the classes are continuous. Okay, if classes are not continuous, then make it continuous first. Okay, and now then you try to draw histogram. Now you know this is an x-axis and this is an y-axis. Intersecting point is origin. Okay, now on x-axis you represent classes and on y-axis you represent frequencies. Okay, so take suitable scale and represent classes here. So I take 1 centimeter as 1, 5, and therefore now make equal intervals: 135, 140, 145, 150, 155. Okay. Now here I make this mark crink mark because this shows that distance between these is equal to 135. Okay. Actually it is not, but this shows that this is what 135. Okay. And now then what, by suitable scale you represent frequencies on y-axis. So I take scale on y-axis. 1 centimeter is equal to 2 students. Okay, now therefore this is 1 centimeter, 2 centimeter, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16. And now then draw rectangles. Okay, so first 135, 140, that is frequency is 4, so I draw this rectangle. Then this is second rectangle, frequency is 12. Third rectangle, frequency is 16, and fourth rectangle, frequency is 8. Okay, so in this way you draw graph. So these all are what rectangles, they are joined to each other. Okay, now here scale is very important. So take one suitable scale so that your figure looks good. Okay, now then you try to understand question number 2. The table below shows the yield of jawar per acre, shows the data by histogram. Okay, now here the frequency distribution table is given. First you observe classes. Now here the classes are 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So classes are not continuous, make them continuous, that is extended classes. So solution. So class interval, so these are what extended classes. So how you find this? So upper limit of what first class and lower limit of second class, this you add and divide by 2. So 3 plus 4, that is equal to 7. 7 upon 2, 3.5. So 3.5 is upper limit of this class and lower limit of this class. And by observation you write down this, okay, this limit. So that is 1.5, 1.35, 3.5, 5.5, 5.5, 7.5, 7.5, 9.5, 9.5 and 11.5. So these are what your extended classes. So this you remember. If you want to draw histogram, then classes should be continuous. Okay. Then take suitable scale and draw graph. Take classes on x-axis and frequencies on y-axis. So here I take 1.5 and 3.5, so that is equal to 1 centimeter. So on y-axis my scale is 2 centimeter is equal to 10 farmers, and on x-axis my scale is 1 centimeter is equal to 2 quintal. So this is 3.5 minus 1.5 is equal to 2, and these are what quintals. So on x-axis 1 centimeter is equal to 2 quintals, and I make equal parts, okay, 1.5, 3.5, 5.5, 7.5, 9.5 and 11.5, okay. And then you draw a rectangle proportional to one frequencies. Now 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 and so on. And now I draw a rectangle in this way. These are what joint rectangles, and this is called histogram. Okay. Question number 3. In the following table, the investment made by 210 families is shown. Represent it in the form of histogram. Okay, now this is a frequency distribution table given, and by means of this frequency distribution table you draw histogram. Okay, now here first you observe the classes. Now classes are 10, 15, 15, 20, 20, 25, 25, 30, 30, 35. Classes are continuous, so it is easy to draw histogram. I will explain you how to draw histogram for this information in next lecture. Now today it is enough. Thank you for watching this video. Hello my dear student, I request you, please subscribe to our channel so that you will get regular notification when a new video is uploaded. Please like, share and comment if you have any question regarding this topic. Thank you. Take care.